ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। Today we are going to learn about household vocabulary. Bed, bed. Dining table, dining table. Wardrobe, wardrobe. Dressing table, dressing table. Mirror, mirror. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Carpet, carpet. Rug, rug. Chair, chair. Sofa, sofa. Bench, bench. Rocking chair, rocking chair. Stool, stool. Table, table. Desk, desk. Television, television. Radio, radio. Remote, remote. Table lamp, table lamp. Chandelier, chandelier. Wall lamp, wall lamp. Reading lamp, reading lamp. Torchlight, torchlight. Air conditioner, air conditioner. Dustbin, dustbin. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Headphone, headphone. Light bulb, light bulb. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan. Table fan, table fan. Stand fan, stand fan. Hand fan, hand fan. Mosquito net, mosquito net. Suitcase or luggage. Wall clock, wall clock. Alarm clock, alarm clock. Towel, towel. Pillow, pillow. Bolster, bolster. Blanket, blanket. Umbrella, umbrella. Flower vase, flower vase. Dress, dress. Shirt, shirt. Socks, socks. Wallet, wallet. Handbag, handbag. Telephone, telephone. Smartphone, smartphone. Freeze, freeze. Washing machine, washing machine. Microwave, microwave. Iron, iron. Iron table, iron table. Plug, plug. Swiss, Swiss. Hammer, hammer. screwdriver, screwdriver. Saw, saw. X, X. Charger, charger. Laptop, laptop. Computer, computer. Speaker, speaker. Lock, lock. Key, key. Stapler, stapler. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.